Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Okay, so this is going to be a quick video, guys, for all you game lovers out there. I'm going to show you a nice, neat little trick. You can call it a tip and tricks type video. I'm going to show you how you can prevent FPS frame rate drops whilst you're playing your favorite games. Okay, so you don't need to download any third-party applications or root the device. All you have to do is just make one simple adjustment within the Game Booster application. So I'm going to start up Fortnite and then just show you exactly how to make the adjustment. Okay, so this will work with any other game, not just Fortnite. So just launch any game that you like to play. Just launch your favorite game, and then all you have to do is just swipe in from the side of the display there, and you will see a shortcut for the Game Booster feature. Okay, so if you select monitoring memory, okay, let's do that again. Okay, so if you select monitoring memory and then scroll down to auto manage performance, just turn it off. And now that it's off, you can read what it's all about. So automatically reduce audio volume and video frame rate when the phone's temperature gets too high, and close background apps when memory is low. So when this is on, that's exactly what it's going to do. It's automatically going to reduce the audio volume and the video frame rates when the phone's temperature gets high, when it gets too high, and it's also going to close the background apps and memory is low. So now that this is off, it won't do that. So you will not have any frame rate drops whilst you're gaming, guys. So this is a nice, useful tip that I thought I would share with you guys if you're a game lover just like myself. It's your boy the Android Doctor. If this video helped you out, you already know what to do. Give it a thumbs up. Also share this video, and I'm out. See you in the next video. Doses.